Hi, my name is Matt Bernstein, successful Udemy instructor with over 45,000 plus students across 186 countries. But I'm going to make the proper assumption that you have no idea who I am. So listen, I have a booming voice and like to get straight to the point. At the end of the course, you'll learn how to gain access to any retail product at wholesale prices and have them drop shipped to customers. Validate your retail product ideas and prove they sell by using eBay completed listings. Get a tax ID and business license in order to work with wholesalers in the US. Who should take this course and who should not? Students in the US will have a step-by-step process to get a tax ID and business license to work with wholesalers. Students with a full-time income who want to supplement it with a part-time passive income selling retail products online. Students must develop patience and discipline to know that success does not happen overnight. You have to put in the work. As a very small token of my appreciation, when you scroll down the page, you'll see some lectures are available to watch for free.